top 6 things which you do, your results don't come back, and you should never do them. If you do them, your paper will undergo under investigation. So these are some of the reasons why you write your metric. You end up having a statement with some subjects missing or missing marks. They only indicates XXX. What does it mean? There are so many things which you need to know or which cause that to happen. And for you who is starting the year, you need to avoid this. You need to avoid this so that it does not happen to you to study the whole year and then end up not having your results. It is nice when results come back and then you join the university together, you join the life outside there together. Yeah, it's nice. But if you are stressed because the results have not come back, then it is going to take you more time. It's going to take a lot of energy from you. It's going to take a lot of money from you because you have to move in and out to office 1, office 2. And then in most cases, it is very rare to be helped immediately so that you can go to the university. Sometimes even if you are helped, the results will not come back immediately. Number 1 is SBA mark. SBA means school-based assessment. School-based assessment. These are the exams you get, projects, you get practicals, you get from term 1 to term 3, end of prelims. So all those marks are converted, are added and put into a system, and then the system calculates it. The mark you get is converted out of 25, so that your final exam is out of 75. Then they combine, then you get the final exam as 100%. But your marks are not submitted from the school to the department regarding to the SBA mark. Your results will come back with XXX. So it means that there is something which is missing. So you can only find this from the department. You have to go to the department and inquire what is really the problem. Number 2, the second thing you should not do when you're doing your exams, or otherwise your results may not come back. You may not get a certificate, or your statement will come back with XX, is use of a pencil. You take this as a light thing. I've always seen students use a pencil. After that, they write with a pen. This is not acceptable to use a pencil unless you're gonna change it to a pen, but it takes a lot of time. If you don't, then your paper might undergo investigation. Why? Why are you using a pencil? Because this can be a technique of cheating. How do you cheat with writing a pencil? You might have a good intention, but it can also be used by someone else to cheat. Someone can rub off what you have written and then changes it to another word or something like that. So unless it is a drawing, or unless it is accepted in a certain part of your subject, then you can use a pencil. But if it is not accepted, that is strictly you must use a pencil, then don't use a pencil when you are writing, and endeavor to use a blue pen, not a black pen. The use of different handwritings, the use of different handwritings. You see now this person has written this one, this way. It can be the same person, and then because of the different handwritings, your paper will undergo investigation. How comes that your handwritings are not the same? Sometimes when you are tired, you tend to change the handwritings. Sometimes people use different pens, and sometimes when you use a different pen, the handwriting tend to be different. Then your paper will undergo investigation. Your results will not come back for that specific subject. If it happens in paper 1, definitely if one mark of paper 1 is missing, definitely the other one result will not also come back. So it means that you need to avoid the use of different handwritings. Please keep your handwriting. If it requires you to practice so that you don't get stress when other people are getting results. The reason why this video is being released is because we concentrate only on content and we forget about these small mistakes students do, which might result in your result not coming back, and then you end up spending more money and spending more time. Yet these small mistakes can be avoided. Tearing of the paper, the booklet. When you tear the booklet into pieces, then automatically your results might not come back. You have to leave the booklet the way it is. Yes, so booklet, make sure that you don't tear any paper. If you have used 2 booklets, make sure that at least you number them. Yes, that one we know. How many booklets you use, that we don't care, as long as all the booklets are full. Even if you use 1 page, make sure that that booklet is full. Tipexing. Please do not use a tipex in your exam, because it is a sign of hiding something. What exactly don't you want us to know or to see? Anyone can make a mistake, but why do you use a tipex? So your paper will undergo investigation so that we find out exactly why are you hiding this. So you won't get the results and they will come back with XXX. These are simple mistakes people do, and they don't know exactly whether this can result in your results not coming back. Lastly is paper missing your paper. Or you write paper 1, you don't write paper 2. Definitely your results will not be complete, and then they will not come back. So the results come back, it must have the SBA. You must not have any irregularity. You must do all the papers. If it's supposed to be 2 papers, you must do all the 2 papers. Yeah, I know. If you avoid this, it will have the highest chances, or you have the high chances of your results coming back. Thank you very much for watching.